Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Artis Mini 2.0 USB Multimedia Speaker. This is a USB speaker, pair of USB speakers primarily aimed at desktops, PCs and laptops, even MacBooks. This particular pair of speakers comes with wired volume control and has enhanced low frequency effect. It also has this logo over here that says superior sound and powerful bass. What else can we find here? Yeah, there you go. Over here it says that the output power is 3 watts into 2, so these are two speakers. Frequency response is between 60 Hz to 20 kHz, pretty standard. And do we have anything more important than this? No, that's it. This is what it is. Let's open this box and take a look inside. Let's take a look at the speakers. We have a couple of documents. This is a warranty card from Artis. I'll keep this over here. And you also have a user manual. No, this is a product information brochure from Artis. That's great. I'll leave this over here as well. Now, these are what the speakers look like. There, you can give you a closer look. This is what the speakers look like. They're really tiny. These are 2.0 speakers, and they have some. You can see the woofers over here, and it has a glossy finish at the back, and then you have the cables. These are really small, by the way. I must mention they kind of fit in my palms. They're really small. The cable is around a meter long, and like most of these multimedia speakers, this comes with 2 outlets. One is a USB-A port and the other is a 3.5mm port. The idea being that if you just using it for listening to music out of a MP3 player, or even if your phone or something like that, you can just plug in the 3.5. But if you want to use it in along with a laptop or a PC, then you have to plug in both. I will actually do that and show it to you how it's done. So I am going to plug this one in over here, and the USB connector over here. Notice there is a volume rocker as well. It has the volume rocker as well. This is what you use to control the volume basically. So let me try and play some music and see if this works. So yeah, it works perfectly actually. It works just fine. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Artis Mini 2.0 USB Multimedia Speaker. Thank you for watching.